Let's explore a few templates if you have to create your own formative assessments. I'll begin with the first template as say create a presentation. Click on it and you can select any templates or search from the search bar as well. I'm using one of the templates. So if you're a history or a social study teachers, you can use this particular template. It says historical artist biography. You can write the name of the person. I'm just using Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar ji, and the students can write their own name here, give a quote about the person, and there are a few more slides. You can personalize your own questions as a teacher, add a few lines describing this person's early life and background, about their career in art, what impact they have done on history, challenges that they face, and detail the impact of this person had and the others they influence. So you can of course personalize the questions. If you're an English teacher, you want this to use this particular slides for writing about a poet, say Rabindranath Tagore ji, or a Hindi poetess who is Subhadra Kumari Chauhan ji. You can personalize these questions and change it. So suppose you want to write about say Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. So I'm just changing it to and you can also translate this. So there's a option of translate on top. If you will look at, just click on translate, select the language. I'm selecting the language as Hindi and click on translate. So you'll see here that the same slide has translated at Subhadra Kumari Chauhan ji ki Jeevani. So just proofread this content once. And how can you share with your students? The shareable link, there's something which is called share. Click on it and there will be an option of view only link. Click on view only link and select on the option of allow others to remix. When you click allow others to remix, the students can make copies of the same slides and enter their answers, enter their work, and share it with you. So when you click on create link, a shareable link with the students gets created. Please note, clicking on allow others to remix is extremely important, because if you want the students to use the same template which you have designed for them, this toggle should be on. Click on copy link and you can share with your students. Now there's something really interesting that I wanted to share with all of you is the classroom launch. So you also can create classrooms on Adobe Express. Click on classrooms. Once you click on classrooms, you can click on create class, and I'm just creating a class assuming that it's a history class, and I can select the subject as social studies. Maybe it's a grade 6th assignment, and just click on save. Once you do that, this is the class invite that gets created with a 6-digit code. You can copy this class invite and share with your students. Also, now you'll see here that once your history class is created, there are two options that comes up. One is create a gallery and create an assignment. So whatever assignment that I made right now on Bhimrao Ambedkar ji, let's see how we can assign it to the students. So click on create assignment. You can just give an assignment title as social studies assignment 1. You can give the instructions. You can just write down complete the given slides. You can personalize it and also give a due date. Say the due date is 5th of November. Ensure that the gallery for the students to see each other's work. So when the students are turning in work, you can, have the permissions allowed so that other students can also see the work of other students. Now there's an option now, since you have created earlier a presentation, you can just click on your stuff. Your stuff is the folder in which your entire stuff which you're creating gets stored. So click on your stuff and you'll see that uh, you know this is published here. So I'll just click here and upload, and it says now you can assign the work. So the moment that you click on assign, this particular template which you have, which you want your students, the formative questions that you have given to them, gets assigned. You can also copy this assignment link and share it with your students in your class groups. That's a very easy way, so that uh, you know they can easily click on those links and access the assignment. So copy this link and share with your students. Also now you'll see here that your assignment one is created, and there's an option called view gallery. So view gallery will allow you to see, once your students start turning in the projects, you're going to see the assignments here one by one. So all the assignments will pop up here. So that's an amazing way of ensuring that your students work is seen by all of you. So that is one example. The other thing is that, yes, if you are a higher grade teacher, teaching 11th and 12th, you can choose the option of building web pages. You can put a few formative assignment questions. Go back to the topic which you have taught in the last 15 days. Say you have taught Haber's process in chemistry, or you have taught photoelectric effect in grade 12th in physics, or any topic. You can create a small formative assessment by clicking and building on the web page. Once you click that, you can either start from scratch by clicking creating on no, and you can just write down a formative assessment, and whatever topic that you have taught in the last few months can be picked up. And I'm just choosing a small short cover, and just click here on the plus sign. You can add photographs, text, and just click on text. You can also, if you have a question already, if you have created a small PDF assignment, or if you have an image with a few questions, you can directly click on photo and upload that particular assignment in the form of photo also, because I'm sure you are giving a lot of formative assignments. But otherwise also, you can easily type your questions here, like question 1, and say, the explain K max energy in photoelectric effect. So let the students write down, so whatever small one or two questions which you know solve the misconceptions, help them revise a little bit on the topic that you have taught in the last 15 days, it will be good. And same way, how do you assign it to the students? Click on share, and after clicking on share, there's something called publish to web, and just click allow others to remix and create a publishable link and a shareable link with the students. And this is actually the link which is an assignment for the students to be done. So just copy this link, share with your students. Same way, even in the classroom assignment, I would encourage all of you to explore the classroom, uh, of making classrooms on Adobe Express. For smaller grade students, I think the formative assessment should be more about fun and drawing. So you can use this template of creating a drawing. You can pick up any template, okay, for that matter. So this is just identifying shapes. They can connect the dots, draw. This particular template can be used. The share option is the same on the right hand side. You can, you know, if you want them to learn about fruits and vegetables, you can use this particular template as well. So it'll be amazing that if all of you explore these templates. There are a lot of fun guided activities. You know, you can pick that up. There are a lot of Gen AI activities that is there. Also, in case you want to use some ready um, content and directly create a classroom, I'll just show you. So if you have a classroom already created. And you want to create an assignment, there's something called project types. When you click on project types, automatically the record yourself template, videos, generate AI, learning journals, then presentations also automatically come up. You can explore that as well, but I would suggest that to begin with, first create a small assignment the way I showed for Subhadra Kumari Chauhanji and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, and please proceed with a few 3 to 4 formative assignment questions on the topic which you have taught in the last 15 days. So thank you.